Valentine's Day is less than a week, and if you don't know what to bake, then watch this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute heart-shaped sugar cookies. So firstly, in a bowl, I'm going to be combining all the dry ingredients. So firstly, we have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which is spoon and also leveled. And then we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. And once it's all in, just mix it up nicely and set it aside. For the wet ingredients, I'm adding in 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, which is around 170 grams of butter. And I'm going to be listing all the ingredients down below in the description, so don't worry if you missed out anything. And with that, I'm adding in 1 cup of white sugar. I'm using my Kenwood food processor for this to make the dough, but you can just use a mixer or anything that you have. And I'm just going to be putting it in speed 1 and just let it mix. Once the butter and sugar is incorporated well together, we're going to be adding in 2 eggs, but I'm adding in 1 egg at a time. Scrape down the sides if you need to. Now you can add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I'm going to be doing it in 3 batches so the flour incorporates into the wet ingredients properly, and it's also easier for the mixer to actually mix it. When the dough looks like this, that's when you know it's done. So I'm only using 1/3 of the dough for this video, and then I'm just going to put the rest in the freezer and just bake the cookies whenever I actually want to eat the cookies. So here's the 2/3 of the dough. I'm just going to cling wrap it and put it in the freezer. In the other bowl, which has 1/3 of my dough, I'm going to add this red food coloring. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit, and it's going to give me the cutest pinkish reddish color. You can add more or less depending on how much you want the red to be. And I'm just going to mix it in, and I thought this would work, but I just ended up using the food processor to mix it in. And look at this, we have this beautiful color. So I'm going to be wrapping this up, and I'm going to be putting it in the fridge for a whole day, and the next day I'm going to come and bake it. This is going to give you the best flavor, so the more you keep it in the fridge, the flavor just gets better. But if you don't have time for a whole day, you can just put it in for an hour and it would still be fine. Now I'm just going to roll it out until I get the thickness that I need, and then I'm going to use the heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out some nice little heart shapes. Look at how cute this heart is. So this is how thick my cookie is. But look at how cute this is. I'm in love. Now I'm just going to put it on the baking paper and we can bake it soon. Once a tray is filled up, you can bake it in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Look at them. So these are all fully baked. You can just let it out, sit for a couple of minutes, let it cool down, and then you can start eating them. Look at how cute they are. The shape stays and it's just so delicious. And I'm just gonna bite into one. So these are pretty crunchy. Look at that snap. I'm sure it'll impress your loved one on Valentine's Day, and make sure you like this video and subscribe.